Hello everybody, this is just a short video about the Anet ET5X, my new one, which I just bought like 2 weeks ago. By the way, it's my first 3D printer, and I thought I could make it a direct drive, and I just ordered the one for the CR10 from Microswiss. It arrived yesterday, and I just had this project of installing it. It's not quite finished, and I still have to tweak a little bit, but for the ones interested to know if you could put the Micro Swiss direct extruder with all metal hot end on the Anet ET5X, it's possible, but I had one major problem. And if you watch here, the motor was actually hitting this part here. So by a few millimeters, the motor didn't pass. So what I had to do, and you see it here on the wheel, I had to put three 1 millimeter spacers on all the three wheels, so they stand out a little bit, in order that the motor fits through this part over here. The other thing is that this cover of the Anet ET5X doesn't fit the holes. You see, if I take a short screwdriver, this screw is actually in, that's not a problem, but this one is actually missing the hole. So I need to print out here some new cover, or to do something new here. But all the rest, I have to say, it was pretty straightforward. I had to recalibrate, of course, the sensor here for the auto bed leveling, and everything is working fine. That's actually the first print I'm having. I want to check about extrusion calibration, which is actually not easy with the Anet, but I'm thinking on upgrading to Marlin, and from this point of view, I don't think it's a problem. So I'm not a professional, I'm not a YouTuber, I just wanted to put it online for anyone interested in knowing if you could actually install the direct drive on an Anet ET5X, because I didn't find anything on YouTube. Have a wonderful day, thank you very much, bye.